Hey guys, it's Nick from Kirby Road Slot Car. I got a little tech tip video here that I've come across with some TruSpeed controllers. So I know a lot of people are trying to make extensions and trying to figure out how to use these wired controllers on larger tables. And I've run into the same thing as far as I've always been using a wireless. And I have two fellows that race with me here who have wired. And so I've researched and tried to figure out different things to do, even getting in contact with, I think it was Slot Car Corner or Electric Slot Car for building extensions, and then I've just figured I'd try it myself. So let me show you what I got here, and then I'll try to put the links down below in the description so you guys can all see if it's something that you want to proceed to do. So here's my TruSpeed controller. I'll turn the CU on here and get it started. Alright, so as you see, I have a TruSpeed controller sitting on my track, and it has the Carrera offset RJ12, and in the controller itself has an RJ12 center offset. So I sit here. So here I'll plug it in. Come over here. And the Zaxpeed yellow-green car goes. Okay. So now, disconnect it. And if you take your TruSpeed controller here, once my phone doesn't fall over. Alright, and you can pop out the rear, and TruSpeed has a center offset, which is the same as a normal RJ12 6P 6C connector. So now you can take your TruSpeed, plug in the regular phone line, plug in a 6P 6C center offset coupler, take the center offset from the TruSpeed controller, and now you take your Carrera left offset, plug it in, and there you go. So a standard RJ12 6P 6C pinned phone line will work a TruSpeed controller. So now, if you look here on the table, I have 10 feet of center offset 6P 6C phone line. You can take the coupler off, hook it into your 10 feet of line, and grab a hold of it and bring it down here to the other end of my track. And just for display, I'm showing you I've got my 10 feet on here. I have a phone jack that I cut the end of that 10 foot off of here, and I've wired it in, and it pins the same as a phone jack 6C or 6P 6C connector, and I got that on Amazon. So now I can take my RJ12, plug it in, it's hooked to my TruSpeed. Oh, and let me move the controller out of the way. And my Zaxpeed white Capri runs off of that. So as you can see, you can hear it. And everything works with it, except for when you run into a dead spot at a lane changer. So that works. And it takes a little bit of wiring, but lane changers work, coding works, Everything works. And like I said, I'll link it, or I'll try to, being new at all this YouTube stuff. I will link you down there the links for these phone lines and the phone jacks. And I know most of you guys, if you can solder your chips into your Carrera cars or into your Revo slots or NSRs, you should be able to solder in or wire in, splice in these phone jacks. And it's actually a really quick and easy way to extend your tables, extend your controllers, and be able to use them. And like I said, TruSpeed works with this. The ramjets, I am not sure. And I know the slotted controllers, which a buddy of mine has one here, wires up completely different. But you can still do the same thing. We've wired in his controller with the Carrera offset, so he can just plug straight in. Oops, sorry, I won't focus. There you go. So he just plugs straight in, and it works. But it's a different pin configuration, and I haven't laid that out yet to try to get him extensions. So there you go, guys. A little tech tip that I've come across as far as the wired corded controller extensions. Thanks, guys. Please like, share, and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Keep racing.